So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to have a gradients video background here on InShot. So once InShot is opened up, as you can tell, my background currently is blue. So I have my video and then I have the blue border around that. If you want to change that to a gradient style border, press on Canvas. Make sure that background here is selected. So if it says ratio, press on background. Scroll down to where it says gradient right here, and you can go ahead and select a gradient that you want. So we'll go ahead and select this one right here. Now, if you want to change the color, you can go ahead and change the direction as well. Just kind of like that. So you can go ahead and scroll down, change it to a gradient style background. You can go ahead here and change the color, whatever you guys want to do. You can change the background right here in gradient, and if it looks good, press the check mark, and there you go. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can have a gradient background, a gradient video background here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.